Hey there, David. I'm going to explain my thought process using a semi-bluff calculator and an actual hand example. Who cares about my actual hand here? Let's don't show them. Here we go. Now let's say, so I've 3-bet the button, and let's say we're Dalton HB and we're sick of ape styles here. There's 10 in the pot. Ape has 24 behind. So in order to bluff, we need to risk, about 27 for 10, just like we were talking about. Now, first of all, what we need to do is figure out our equity. So let's say we're holding like a 9-7 suited, and we just want to bluff shove on ape. This is going to be trouble for this player, but regardless, what we want to do is find out where the break-even point would be. So let's say ape's 3-bet calling is here with, it's weird talking about myself like in third person, but yeah, it's 3-bet calling is here with, let's say it's tight-ish. We'll do something like that. And we know that 9-7 suited has 30% equity when called. Right? So what we would do to see what the break-even point is, we would go to this website out here called just semi-bluff calculator. Free fold equity calculator. We'll just input this stuff. So pot size before we shove, we're just going to say it's 990. We're just removing the decimal. How much do we have to call? 350. How much are we shoving? 2433. And what's our equity? It is we'll call it 30%, just for our benefit. So we break even if the villain folds 44% in this case. Right? But what if we had Jack 10 suited? Where we had 35% equity. Now, villain only needs to fold 1 and 3 times for it to be a break-even shove. That means break-even is not what we're going for. Call is usually break-even. So realize that there's a higher bar than you may think in these spots. But this is the general math for calculating how often a bluff shove needs to work. What your problem is that you forgot that we have equity when we're all in. Hopefully that helped. And next webinar, I'll make sure that we have a separate thread for questions. Thank you.